So next up, we're going to handle the situation where we have multiple inequalities to graph. So we still want to annotate these things. So for our first one here, we are shaded above, and we have a solid line because it's or equal to. And then for our next one here, it's less than, so we're going to shade below, and it does not equal to, it's just less than, so we have a dashed line. And let's make it clear which one's which. So this will be our yellow one, this will be our green one. So yellow starts off at down 6, then it goes up by 2 and over by 1 each time. It's a solid line, just like so. And everywhere that we are shading above it. But I'm going to hold off on shading until I have the other one graphed because we only want to shade the region where they both come together. Our second line here starts off at positive 3, but this time it has a negative slope, so it goes down by 1 and over by 1. And it looks like that's going to be our line. So again, we are making this dashed. And our annotation is telling us to shade below. So we're looking again for the region where they are both shaded. So if we have a choice region, we'll call this region 1, region 2, region 3, or region 4, we can go one by one and see where the lines come together. In region 4, we do have yellow shading, but we have no green. In region 3, we actually have shading from none of them. In region 2, we have some green, but no yellow. And then finally, in region 1, we have both yellow and green shading coming together. So that's going to be where we have our solution. So again, outline the edges of our solution region here. And then we can go through and color the rest of this in. So again, really focusing on where do these graphs come together.